Hello there! We are In The Home, a YouTube channel that's part of TrustedShoppingGuide.com or TSG, which aims to improve the shopping experiences of everyday people from all walks of life. As part of TSG, In The Home reviews a wide range of home products and decorations and provides ratings for them with the goal of helping make your shopping experience a much more enjoyable experience than it usually is. Over at this channel, we have mainly two video formats. The first of these video formats is the listicle, which essentially lists the best and top-rated units of a specific home product with a corresponding list of pros and cons. Whether you're looking for the best reviewed unit or the most budget-friendly option, our listicle videos will help you find the home product you've desperately looking for. The second video format is the Brand Wars, which pits two highly reviewed products against each other in a heated battle with the goal of examining their strengths and weaknesses and finding the better unit of the two. On top of that, we also do solo reviews that showcase everything you need to know about a specific product or appliance. While these formats cover most of our content here at In The Home, we sometimes also make special videos during holidays and certain sale events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. As our name suggests, In The Home strives to be the one-stop shop for all your home and decorating needs. Before you go, we'd just like to let you know that there are daily coupon updates in the description box below. So subscribe, like, and follow the page if you want updates on the best and latest home products on the market. Also, don't forget to visit our website, TrustedShoppingGuide.com, for all of our reviews in written format. Well, what else is there to say? Happy shopping! And we hope you look to In The Home for all your shopping needs.